Oh, is that the tool?
That's the tool.
What does the tool do?
The tool pounds.
Okay. I expect this to look completely different when we get back.
I hope it does.
Stand together, ladies. We gotta get a nice picture of this. Yay! So what do you plan to do today?
Rip some brick out?
Oh, I'm game.
There we go.
Ready for it.
Your daughters will be proud of you.
Yeah.
I'm just frightened. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay. This is what 3 determined people can do.
We gotta mention Don. We wouldn't have done this without him.
Huh?
We gotta mention Don, my brother. We wouldn't have done this without you, Don. And your excellent instructions.
And look at this, Don. You've even got your own mother.
Corinne says I look like a surgeon or a sturgeon. I'm not sure what she said.
I hope surgeon. Wow. Well, we're just having a grand old time. I don't have my protection on. Oh, this is the appropriate hat for this work. And
There he is.
I was so for this whole project.
Yeah, right.
Suzy kept saying, no, we can't do it, we can't do it, it won't work.
You're so
But
full of it.
I talked her through.
Not.
Diamond blade.
Woo, look at that dust.
And brick time.
Awesome.
Rick, I finally found a use for that hat you gave me. Thank you, sir. You're sitting on your keister.
Yep. Back off again.
Oh, do the jackhammer, do the jackhammer. Do it.
Oh, this isn't sawed.
What? Well, I can't get to it.
I know. How'd you do it over there?
It was a mortar.
Where's Mom?
I think she's left us. She had too much of the brick. I hope this doesn't make it on America's Funniest Videos. Some painful mistake.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Cool.
Go! A slice! Oh, shanked it! Whoopsie.
That would have been America's Funniest Home Videos,
That
huh?
would have been.
They'd have ripped the wall down.
I'm not saying we were beaten. There's no way that we're going to be beaten on this. It's just this. I was actually beating on a solid lump of brick right there. A solid lump of brick that was really irritating. I don't know what they were thinking when they built this hearth. This side of the hearth was fine. It was all cinder block all the way across. This side's taking a little more work. Looky that. Pretty much done. The cement and brick and cinder block mess down there that was our hearth is pretty much down to the cement pan. And who do we have to thank for this?
It was a joint effort.
Arr.
Arr.
All right. Right, everybody in the family, even Jacob helped.
Even Jacob.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, and the best tool, though, the most exciting tool besides the power tool, here it is. I don't know what we'll call it, the javelin, for want of a better name. Get about a 2-inch chisel blade, and the sucker is about 6 inches. And man, that got through some nasty stuff. Awesome. I want one. Look at that. Those women are truly awesome. What a major cleanup. Wow. Put that insulation out. And then we're about ready to roll with the next stage, whenever that comes.